Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Nadula Hair Amazon. I'm showing you guys their 5x5 thin HD lace blend away bye knots lace closure wig. This wig is a nice silky body wave texture. They're saying it's 180% density, but honestly she feels like 150% density, but that's okay. I have this wig in 20 inches and the lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. Also, if I didn't mention it already, this wig is super beginner friendly. It's very easy to install and maintain, and last but not least, she is 100% human hair. So as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing and I'm going to give you some close-ups of the hair. She does come pre-styled, you guys, and of course the lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached as I mentioned before, and she does have some security features such as the non-slip silicone base, the comb in the back, and that adjustable elastic band. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation all over this lace and throw her on. First things first, I need to make sure that the wig cap is fitting me correctly. She's nice and centered, all the hair is away from the lace, and as always, I am going to add a little bit of spray on that lace. Now that is optional, you do not have to do that. This wig is technically designed to be installed without spray or glue, so it really just depends on how you feel. I'm adding spray because it just provides a little bit more security and it also helps that lace melt even more. But what I will say though is that they did do a great job on this lace and you guys will see it. The lace did melt pretty well before I even added the extra foundation, which you guys will see in a bit. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up in just a bit. As you guys can see, I'm sticking with the middle part for now, and I also did take some hair out in the front because I decided that I wanted to have bangs. I don't know, it was just a random thought. Even though this lace is absolutely amazing, I just feel like I get wigs like this all the time, and you guys kind of get the point by now, and I just wanted to give you something a little different, but I am going to give you some close-ups of that lace. Don't worry, I'm just getting everything secured right now. So here is a close-up. The lace looks really good. If you want to know why I decided to add some baby hairs, it's because the pre-cut lace stops before my natural edges, and my natural edges were just poking out and just being extra, so the baby hairs just help to hide it. That's all. So I'm just going to go ahead and just cut some bangs. I didn't know if I wanted just regular bangs or move them to the side, so you guys will kind of just see me keep playing with it until I get exactly what I wanted. So you guys can see I'm looking at the hair. I'm like, okay, yep, I like it. She's cute. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward. So I decided I wanted to give myself some fresh curls. I'm brushing the hair out, and you guys, it does look really pretty. So if you do not want to recurl the hair, as you can see, you do not have to. I just have a thing with old curls, and I just rather have fresh curls. That's all. So I am going to use my wax stick a little bit because The hair did have a lot of flyaways, which you guys know I do not like. Obviously you can't see it on camera, but in person it kind of just makes the curls look a little messy, so that's why I like to use my wax stick. And I went in with my curling wand per usual. Now they did say that this hair is 180% density. I would have to disagree with that. She definitely felt more like 150% density. She was very lightweight, but she did have a lot of body to her, and she did have a lot of movement to her. This wig did not have a weird smell. It did not have tangling issues, and she barely had shedding. The shedding was very, very, very minimal. I love the shine of this wig, and I love the bounce of this wig, and the hair was super soft. So I just wanted to throw all those keynotes out there. Okay, so both sides are done now, and as you guys can see, the hair looks very lightweight, so that's why I said it's giving more 150% density. If you would like to add a little bit more volume to her, you can definitely cut some layers, or you can go in with a brush to brush these curls out. I'm using my fingers for now just to kind of separate the curls and give me a little bit more volume. And honestly, I think she came out really cute. Now, the only other thing that I noticed about this wig is that when she gets towards the ends, it does kind of get pretty thin, and I'm not a fan of that. But other than that, I did enjoy the wig unit. I think it was very pretty. Again, I have this wig in 20 inches, and right now it is $165, but by the time you guys see this, there should be a little bit more of a discount for you guys to use. So definitely click that link in my description box down below and check it out, okay? But again, this wig is super beginner friendly, very easy to maintain. You don't really have to do too much to it. I was a little extra with the styling, but it is a very simple wig to install, and it is a beautiful everyday wig. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you guys next time.